This is the cellar, coffee and tea and food cellar in the train. It's like a cellar facility is like a flight only. Vande Bharat train is not available, have such things.